Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. So if you haven't already, I would be happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. This video is in collaboration with Bunny Kisses and Easter Wishes, and this is hosted by Living My Best Life with Lisa Mary and co-hosted by Indiana Jones. So if you haven't already been to their channels, I'll leave the link of their channels in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. So after you have viewed mine, please do click on the next video in the playlist. You would not be disappointed. You'll get so many beautiful videos with great inspirations. So today I'm going to do a couple of projects. So let's get started. So these are the final result of my Easter projects. So let me start with this beautiful signboard. Happy Easter. They were like shiny pink letters. So I just gave overwrote it with black paint on it. So I just wanted to make it bright and also not look too shiny. So yeah, that's a change I made on this board, and as well as this metallic bunny, and I just make him look like a galvanized one. So I just had some gray and black paint patches all around him, so he looks like it's galvanized. And I also stuck some of the fog greenery around the eggs. Just want to give like a grass 3D grass effect to that, and some flowers. And I just created a bow with 3 different sheer ribbons, pink, light pink and lavender color, and I just gave one of the flower in there. So this is the beautiful Easter sign that I'm loving it. So let me know your thoughts on this. And the next one is this egg picture frame art, and I love this a lot. And this is actually one of the glass picture frame, and I just stuck one of the tissue paper that was having like a lace design, and I just found it on Dollar Tree sometimes back, and it's so beautiful. It looks like a lace fabric. And also I just stuck one of the eggs, and again I just removed the shiny effect, and then I just painted white, pink and yellow patches on top of the egg, just to not to give like a shiny effect. And also I got this two of this beautiful flowers. I just stuck it in this corner. Those are actually matching with those dots on the egg, so I'm very happy how this turned out. And I gave some greenery around the picture as well. So this is one of the egg art decor. I'm just loving it, so let me know your thoughts on this as well. And the third one is this, I wanted to give effect of chick hatchling coming out of the egg. So I just gave him a cute bow, the pink color sheer ribbon on top, and I just stuck some greenery. And I have to talk about this beautiful basket of egg design all over it, and they got like beautiful colors. I didn't want to change anything because they are so beautiful. I did not want to disturb the designs on it. All I did was just wrapped it around with one of the violet or lavender sheer ribbon, and I created a bow. And also I just stuffed a lot of bags in there, and then I gave like moss, floral moss, and then stuck those are the eggs that were coming in that hanging, the wall hanging. I just plucked all those eggs, and then I painted, I gave like a matte look to them by painting on top of the shiny eggs. And then I just gave like this a basket of eggs. This hatchling basically came out from those basket of eggs, and I'm absolutely loving this. So let me know your thoughts on this as well. So these are the few easy, simple Dollar Tree Easter projects that I want to share in this video. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.